little bread. My human takes good care of me. They gave me water and flour, and now they're gonna let me sleep.
You're stretching me too much. It hurts inside. Don't fold me like that. I have to hold on. They're placing me here, next to the others. We're all lined up so carefully. I'm scared. No, no, wait! Where are you taking me? It's so hot! What is that orange light? It burns! Ouch! The floor is burning! I'm drying inside. My skin feels harder, and it hurts. Please, help me. I don't feel anything anymore. I'm stiff and dry inside.
Goodbye. I hope I taste good. And listen to that crunch. Perfect